Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that has completely changed the way how I print. Years ago, I used to use inkjet cartridges. They would get depleted quickly after printing just a few PowerPoint documents. But since I switched to this larger toner cartridge, it's been amazing. With this toner, I can print up to 3,000 pages before running low again. Whether you're printing important documents for work or school, or just personal use, this toner cartridge provided me with high quality, long-lasting prints. And the best part, you can get your hands on the same toner cartridge replacement I'm using. Check out the link in the description below for more information and to experience the difference for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret making the switch to toner cartridges.